Every month, Legato Heights rises higher, and every level completed brings buyers closer to their ownership. And February shows exactly why this is the right time for you to secure your space. Engineer.
Yeah, Abbas.
Good to see you.
Me too.
The engineer, tell me, what has been the update on site?
Right. For this month,
Yeah.
our major milestone is casting the 9th floor.
You are going very fast.
That's right. Absolutely. We want to finish the project quickly for our clients.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And what should we be expecting to see happen?
Our expectation for this month is get the 9th floor cast.
Okay.
Complete the backfilling for the tower.
Okay, on the outside?
On the outside, as the backfilling.
Yeah.
Then the block work partitioning, we should be able to get to the 5th floor.
Okay, just like we saw on the lower floors.
Right, the lower floor, currently we are at 4th floor for the block work.
Okay.
And we want to get to the 5th floor this month.
Awesome, next month.
Yeah. Actually, the first fix of the electricals has also started from
that's great.
Yes.
That's great. That's another heavy major milestone.
Yeah. Right. Soon the plumbing work will also start.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And tell me about the tower crane. I think it's increased in length.
Yeah, that's why we've extended it.
Oh, okay.
The construction process is getting nearer, so we need to extend the height.
Okay. Okay.
So that maneuvering will be very easy for the crane.
Nice, nice.
In terms of taking materials around. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, engineer. And see you next month. Progress is visible, momentum is strong, and ownership is within reach. With our prices starting from 105,000, contact us today to secure a unit at Legato Heights.